Dashcams have become essential for road safety, evidence recording, and peace of mind. The best models offer 4K video quality, night vision, GPS tracking, parking mode, and AI features to capture every detail on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter or long-distance driver, choosing the right dashcam can protect you in accidents and disputes. Here are the top 5 best dashcams. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. 70 My Dash Cam Omni. The 70 My Dash Cam Omni is an innovative smart dash camera designed to provide full 360-degree protection for your vehicle, setting it apart from traditional front-only dash cams. Its standout feature is a motorized rotating lens that can automatically track movement inside and outside the car, ensuring no important detail is missed. It records in full HD 1080p with HDR support, delivering clear footage in both bright daylight and low-light conditions. The Omni includes AI motion detection, which enables smart parking surveillance by detecting suspicious activity and rotating the camera to follow movement around your car. A built-in GPS module logs speed, route, and location data, which can be useful for reviewing trips or providing evidence if needed. It also supports voice control, allowing drivers to capture photos or start recording without taking their hands off the wheel. Additional features like night vision, loop recording, emergency recording with G-sensor, and app connectivity make it highly practical for everyday use. Number 4. Viofo, a 329S dash cam. The dash cam is a high-performance dual-channel dash cam designed for drivers who want premium video quality and reliable safety features. It offers 4K front recording paired with a high-resolution rear camera, ensuring clear and detailed footage from both directions. Equipped with advanced Sony StarVise sensors, the A329S delivers excellent low-light and night vision performance, capturing important details even in dark conditions. One of its standout features is HDR technology, which balances bright and dark areas to improve clarity in challenging lighting situations like tunnels or nighttime driving. The dashcam also includes built-in GPS, allowing it to record speed and location data for added evidence. With dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, users can easily transfer videos and adjust settings through a smartphone app. It also supports buffered parking mode, which records events before and after motion is detected, providing full protection while parked. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-Channel Dash Cam. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-Channel Dash Cam is a powerful all-in-one recording system designed to provide complete coverage of your vehicle. It features 3 cameras that record simultaneously, front, interior, and rear, making it ideal for personal use, ride-sharing drivers, and family safety. The front camera captures 4K Ultra HD video, ensuring sharp details like license plates, while the interior and rear cameras deliver clear HD footage. One of its standout features is infrared night vision, which allows the interior camera to record clearly even in complete darkness. This is especially useful for drivers who operate at night. The dashcam also includes HDR technology, improving clarity in difficult lighting conditions such as bright sunlight or low-light environments. Number 2. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a flagship dashcam known for its 4K video recording and advanced safety features. It delivers ultra-clear footage, capturing license plates and road details even in challenging conditions. It also features image stabilization, which reduces blur and improves clarity on rough roads. One of its key highlights is what 3 words GPS integration, allowing precise location tracking anywhere in the world. It also includes Alexa built-in, enabling voice commands for navigation, music, and calls. The dashcam supports emergency SOS, which can automatically alert emergency services in case of a serious accident. Its enhanced night vision ensures clear recording in low-light conditions. Overall, the Nextbase 622GW is a premium choice for users who want top-tier video quality and advanced safety features. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam Live. The Garmin Dash Cam Live is one of the most advanced dash cams available in 2026, designed for real-time monitoring and premium safety features. It records in 1440 PHD resolution, delivering sharp and detailed footage during both day and night. One of its standout features is LTE connectivity, which allows you to view your car remotely, receive alerts, and access live footage directly from your smartphone. It includes GPS tracking, which records speed and location data, making it useful for insurance claims and trip tracking. The built-in voice control allows hands-free operation, while advanced driver alerts warn about lane departure, forward collision, and speed cameras. Its compact design ensures it doesn't block your windshield view, and the magnetic mount makes installation simple. With cloud storage support and reliable performance, the Garmin Dash Cam Live is perfect for users who want real-time monitoring and premium features.